Hello folks, welcome back. I said the other day in the Q&A we do a lot of our videos on stuff that comes up. Well, we need to do another trough for up there, for the big goats up there. We got rid of a few of them, but still a lot of the older nannies, it's just like in chickens, there's a pecking order. And goats, they can be mean. If they see one with a little bit of a disadvantage to them, they'll bully them. And that's some of the ones we got rid of, was the bad bullies. But anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fix another trough for when I go to feed them of the morning. But we'll show you here bits and pieces us making this trough, and we'll get everything together, and then we'll pick up there and build it. See you in just a minute. Now folks, I've gathered up some screws here. We had took that roof off of that building that time, and that's what's on the old goat shed, or the goat barn up there. That's in one of our videos. But you can see I try to save everything that I can, and I'm getting out some of the longer ones here right now. That's what we'll be using on today's build. Just try to save, repurpose everything that we can. Now hopefully folks you can hear me. We've got some audience here. These goats listening. I'll show you them in just a second. This will give you an idea. I cut these here pieces here. It was old scrap. It was actually a little bit of hickory we had sawed up last year, I guess it was. So it's going to be kind of hard probably screwing into it. But we're going to put one more in the middle. That there, we're just using that for bracing to help sturdy it up. These are just two old pine boards. I got them out of the barn, and we'll attach them here in just a second. Then we'll go inside and see if... Now this cute little girl, we wound up finish up raising her in the house. Little Bugs, ain't that right? She likes animal crackers, don't you? Yeah. I don't have none with me right now, little girl. No. She's not going to get real huge. It's 1,000 wonders she's still alive. But we kept on, and then here's her buddy. She's another bottle baby, Beauty.
She's the same age as her.
Yeah, they're the same age, folks. You can see the difference. Yep. You'll never be out in the general population, will you? No. No, you're just too small. But anyway, now her mama was a huge goat. She is actually one of the ones took yesterday. Her mama, in all fairness, she had got sick also while she was... You don't need that. You don't need that, no. In all fairness, her mama did get sick when she was trying to nurse her and everything. But her mama, she was a bully. A bad bully. She'd hit the other goats. But no. Yeah. Nice and soft now, aren't you? Yeah. Yep. You're going to be our pet, ain't you? Yep. Yep. Alrighty.
Her head out of the fence all the time.
Yes. She all the time. Now, we let them on down in the big field there when they go down, the others get out. We close them off. But they're just not going over today, are they? No. Alrighty, let's get back to work, guys. See,
She's inspecting.
yeah, you're inspecting. The board's gonna be okay. And then I'll measure up. Hold that board in place for me, little girl. You can see I've got it just resting on the ground. Once we get this side screwed on, we'll put this board on the bottom and then screw the other board to it. What do I need to hold that? We'll just do one screw at a time. Just make sure everything works out. Go ahead and get this side up here, Dan. Up here and hold it. Now, go ahead and, well, we'll go ahead and put that other one in. Put this down in here. Put it there like that. Get her measurement. Now folks, as you can tell, by no means am I a carpenter. But we get by with enough air to where we're okay. All right, let me grab another screw. Now, flip this over. Okay. This should rest on that lip now. Alrighty. Hey Dan, watch your finger just a second. Bad looking spider. One more and we'll have to bring you along and show you how we feed and everything. Okay, turn it loose. We'll save these ones here. I'll get some of them a little bit shorter ones. And we'll put some more in it. And then we'll take it in the barn. Be right back, folks. We're still here, beauty. Alrighty. Show them your broody chicken in the corner of there. She's got some eggs, and we've got some more underneath of her. Cross her fingers. Hopefully she'll hatch us some chicks out. Folks, I originally was going to fix the hinge on here to dump it. The hinges we got, they're not long enough. So what I'll do like this one over here. This one here, what I do every morning for a feed, flip it over, clean it out, and then I'll put the feed in there. So what I'm going to do, I'll put these down here like this. I'll leave the one side up against them poles, and that'll just keep them from rolling it over. Put one here and then one up here. Impact driver, bud?
Yep.
And I had come back, I don't think we showed that there. I put more screws in there, because let me tell you, goats can be destructive. It's like it tied. We had one, she would watch us, build something just so she could go and try to tear it up. But no. Alright, let's get another one in up here. And then this little project to be done. And like I said, we've been feeding the excess ones with the pails. And I'll probably still do that some. The older nannies, I keep them on the outside. But what we'll do, maybe even tomorrow, I'll bring you guys up here when we go to feed. And you can see what we do. And show you guys that. I'm getting to be blind as a bat. And we've got a few extra screws that we wasn't going to use for the hinge. I'll probably go ahead and put them in them boards also. Alrighty. Oh. That's basically it, folks. And then what I'll do in the morning, I'll do like that other one. I'll probably just take this and build it up here, knock out the stuff, and then there we have it. And that there's all I do over here. Dan, go ahead on up there and grab a hold of that one. Now these ones here, this one that we made years ago, it's made out of oak boards. It's heavy. I just want to get that up away from that hen. If I know she wouldn't take off, I'd try to fix her a little box, a shelter there. Why in the world she come down in there to do that there? But that must have been where she's wanting. She must feel safe in that corner. And then this one here, what I do in the morning, just come up and then I take my shoe, knock it out. Now we leave them closed up. What we do, we close that gate. We close that gate up there. I'll get the feed in here because goats, we used to try to pour the feed out. It's like a bunch of piranhas. They come there.
And they'll knock you down if you're in their way.
We're not feeding them as much now. It's more or less, we do that there every morning. I can look the goats over, see if any of them's got diarrhea or anything. It's sort of a check. Because they've got plenty of grass now. And now the winter time, I mean, they're getting hay and feed both. But and we're going to be slowing down a little bit more on our feed also. Because like I said, they've got plenty of grass out there now. And they walk through the woods, getting everything there, the leaves and everything. The way this wind's been blowing, I wouldn't doubt, hello little girl, I wouldn't doubt if there ain't more trees down up there. We'll have to go and check that out. Alrighty folks, I hope y'all have a blessed week. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. And take care. There's my little girl. Yeah, she likes giving me back scratches there. Yeah. Oh, got the itch. Alrighty. Thank you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Tell your friends about us. Hopefully you like our videos. And subscribe. It's free. It helps the channel grow. Y'all are great. Bye-bye. I know what I can do. I can bring one of them brushes up here. Yep. let's go ahead and put some more screws in this.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing.